In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Venom Wallet. We'll go through the entire process from downloading the wallet to creating your account, securing it properly, and finally learning the basic actions you'll use every day, like receiving and sending assets. This is a beginner-friendly walkthrough, so if you're new to crypto wallets, just follow along step by step. To get started, download the Venom Wallet. If you're using a computer, install the browser extension from the Chrome Web Store. If you prefer using your phone, you can install the mobile app instead. Make sure you're downloading the official wallet version from a trusted source, since using the correct app or extension is an important part of keeping your funds safe. Once the wallet is installed, open it and choose the option to create a new wallet. When prompted, select the seed phrase method. This will generate a new wallet for you and give you access through a recovery phrase. This phrase is the most important part of your wallet setup because it acts as the master key to your funds. When the 12-word recovery phrase appears, write it down on paper exactly as shown and in the correct order. Store it somewhere safe offline. Do not save it in places that can be easily exposed, such as screenshots, cloud notes, or messages. Most importantly, never share this phrase with anyone. Anyone who has access to it can access your wallet, so treating it like a private key is essential. After that, the wallet will ask you to verify the recovery phrase by selecting or entering specific words from it. This step is there to make sure you copied everything correctly. Take your time and double check each word carefully. Once verification is complete, create a local security password or PIN for the device you're using. This password helps protect access to the wallet on that specific device, so choose something secure but memorable. With the wallet set up, you're ready to start using it. To receive assets, copy your public wallet address and share that address with the sender, or use it wherever you need to receive tokens. Since this is a public address, it's safe to share for incoming transfers. If you want to send assets, open the wallet and click Send. Then enter the destination address and the amount you want to transfer. Before confirming, always review the address carefully, because blockchain transfers are typically irreversible. A quick check can help you avoid mistakes. And that's it. Your Venom wallet is now installed, secured, and ready to use for receiving and sending tokens safely.